Hello everyone. I hope you are healthy, fit and fine. You might have watched the previous video of GK and understood it well and started studying. Let's start today's class.
Today we will start with Unit 2, My World. In this unit, we will study about places around us, people who help us, gadgets we use, how do we move about, at the zoo, in my garden, and our earth and sky. Let us start with the first topic of Unit 2. Open page number 8 of your GK book. Places around us. There are various places around us which is open for public. A public place is a place that is generally open and accessible to people. They provide people many opportunities to come together and engage with the community. Various public places are schools, restaurants, police station, bus stand, railway station, etc. Let us do the exercise given here. Tick the correct words to name the public places shown in the picture below. The first picture we can see a picture of a bank. A bank is a financial institution where customers can save or borrow money. Customers' money may be placed in the bank for safekeeping. Bank is open for all public. So we will tick in the space given a bank. The second picture we can see a picture of hospital. A hospital is a place where all the sick people are treated. The person who treats the sick people is called doctor. Doctor along with his team works day and night and treats ill people. So in the second picture we will tick B, hospital. The third picture we can see a picture of a restaurant. Restaurant is a place where we go to eat food. The person who works in the restaurant is known as chef. So in the third picture we will tick a restaurant. Next picture given here is a picture of railway station. Railway station is a part and parcel of the train communication system of our country. It is a place for trains to stop and start. It has a platform for the passengers to get down and get into the train. Railway station is a public place. So we will tick B, railway station. The next picture we can see is a picture of library. Library is a place where books and sources of information are stored. They make it easier for people to get access to them for various purposes. Libraries are very helpful and economical too. They include books, magazines, newspapers, DVDs, manuscripts and more. Public library is open for everyone. So we will tick here A, library. Next picture is a picture of police station. Police station is a place where policeman punishes the criminals. Person who is responsible for this work is called policeman. We will tick here B, police station. Let us continue with the next topic. Page number 9, people who help us. In our daily life, there are some people who help us. We are dependent on them in some or other way. Let us discuss about those people who help us. In the very first picture, we can see a picture of a teacher. A teacher is a nation builder. A teacher is a person who helps people to learn. A teacher is a person who gives knowledge, value, virtue, and is a source of inspiration to his or her student at school. So, we will write in the space given teacher. In the next picture, we can see a picture of policeman. Policeman is a person who protects us from criminals. A policeman works all the time for our safety. The person who breaks the law is punished by the policeman. So, we will write in the space given policeman. The third picture, we can see a picture of a farmer. A farmer works all day in the fields, growing crops which we eat. Farmers are the backbone of our society. They are the one who provide us all the food we eat. So, write in the space given farmer. The next picture, we can see a picture of a mason. A mason is a person who builds our house. They are very hard working and works on daily basis. So write in the space given mason. The fifth picture, we can see a picture of a tailor. A tailor is a person who stitches our clothes. We can get all kinds of clothes designed from him. So write in the space given tailor. The next picture, we can see a picture of a grocer. A grocer is a person who sells the food item which we eat daily, such as pulses, cereals, etc. The place from where the grocer sells the item is called grocery shop. So write in the space given grocer. In the seventh picture, we can see a picture of nurse. Nurse is a person who is trained to give care to people who are sick or injured. Nurse work with doctors and other healthcare workers to make patients well and to keep them fit and healthy. So write in the space given nurse. In the eighth picture, we can see a picture of carpenter. A carpenter is a person who works with wood and makes furniture. We can obtain all kind of furniture required to decorate our house from him. Write in the space given carpenter. The ninth picture, we can see a picture of a doctor. A doctor is a person who treats the sick and injured person. He has the cure for all kinds of disease and injury. A doctor is always ready to treat his patient and make him healthy. Write in the space given doctor. Let's proceed further. Page number 10, gadgets we use. Due to improved technology, our life is full of various gadgets. Each and every action we take is based on some or other gadgets. Gadgets normally work with electricity or battery. Let us now study about different gadgets we use in our daily life. Here in this page, we have to match the picture of a gadget with the name given. The first picture given here is a picture of a computer. A computer is a multitasking device which can perform all types of functions which are required by us on daily basis. Nowadays, computer is used in institutions, banks, offices, schools, companies, hospitals, railway stations, etc. Computer is very useful gadget and makes our work easier. We will match the first picture A with the sixth computer. Second picture, we can see a picture of air conditioner. Air conditioner is a device which helps in regulating the temperature. During summers, it gives us relief from high temperature by cooling the environment around us. We will match B with 7 air conditioner. The third picture, we can see a picture of refrigerator. A refrigerator is a device which helps in preservation of various food items. It inhibits the growth of microbes by reducing the temperature and also keeps the food fresh for longer time. Refrigerator is an important gadget and it is found in all the houses. We will match C with 4 refrigerator. Next picture is a picture of television. Television is an electronic device used to receive sound and images which create television program that people watch. Television is a huge source of information, knowledge and entertainment. We will match D with 5 television. The fifth picture, we can see a picture of a clock. A clock is a device used to tell time. Moving hands on the face of a clock point to the current hour, minute and second. A clock can be big or small. We can match E with 8 clock. The sixth picture, we can see a picture of a mobile phone. A mobile phone is a wireless hand device that allows user to make and receive calls and to send text messages. Today's mobile phones are packed with many additional features such as games, cameras, video players, etc. Nowadays, mobile phones became an inseparable part of everyone's life. We will match F with 1 mobile phone. Next picture, we can see a picture of a cleaning mop. A cleaning mop is a piece of cloth attached to a pole or stick. It is used to soak up liquid for cleaning floors and other surfaces. It is easier to clean the floor and other surfaces with a cleaning mop. So we will match G with 3 cleaning mop. Next picture given here is a picture of water purifier. Water purifier is used to clean and purify the drinking water. It removes impurities using a fine physical barrier, chemical process or biological process. Purified water obtained from the water purifier is safe for drinking and prevents various waterborne diseases. We will match H with 2 water purifier. Let's move to the next exercise. Page number 11. How do we move about? If we want to go from our home to other places, we use vehicles. Vehicles can be divided into various categories based on what they carry. Vehicles can carry goods or passengers. In the exercise given below, we have to identify the name of the vehicles. Let us do the exercise. Question number 1. I can carry many people at a time. I am a dash. It is train. We will write in this place given train. T-R-A-I-N. Number 2. I help you to move on water. I am a dash. It is boat. Write in the space given boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Question number 3. I am used for carrying goods. I am a truck. Answer is truck. T-R-U-C-K, truck. Write in the space given. Question number 4. I have 2 wheels to run on the road. I am a scooter. Write in the space given scooter. 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 Question number 5. I help you fly through the air. I am a helicopter. We will write in the space given helicopter. HELICOPTER. Helicopter.
Now it's time to end the class. Go through the PDF given in the description box and complete all the exercise given. We will meet soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.